Hello humble bakers! Gusto nyo bang i-upgrade ang chocolate ganache nyo? Try this one. Heat the whipping cream to 70 degrees Celsius. Add nyo yung dark couverture chocolate once nasa 60 degrees below na. We don't want to cook the chocolate kaya dapat 60 degrees below lang. Chocolate starts to cook at ma-burn pag more than 60 degrees yung temperature. Either water ganache or cream pa yan. You can use microwave pero malaki yung chance na ma-burn ang chocolate, mag-split yung sugar, chocolate at fat. Once burnt na, pwede mong gamitin pero pangit na yung lasa ng chocolate. You can use bain-marie method or double boiler method, pero once na heat ang chocolate more than 60 degrees Celsius, maluluto at masusunog na ang chocolate. Same thing, let it set for 1 to 2 minutes para matunaw yung chocolate, then use immersion blender for proper immersion. Avoid developing bubbles para mas smooth yung texture. Then add nyo yung unsalted butter. Try nyo gumamit ng real butter, promise ang sarap. Tapos blend ulit. Cover nyo ng plastic wrap, direct contact method, then chilled overnight. Your ganache will be soft, spreadable, yet it can hold its shape. Perfect for filling and for piping. It will have a deep chocolate flavor. Sometimes, may smoky flavor or aftertaste ng fruit depending on the chocolate brand. Mas rich ang chocolate ganache nyo. Promise, ibang-iba ang lasa ng chocolate ganache nyo once na-try nyo yung ganitong procedure. Isa to sa mga technicality na matutunan nyo pag nag-take kayo ng formal education related to baking and pastry. Sana meron kayo natutunan. Salamat!